Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I have yet another unboxing video here for you, and actually today I have a gift in the mix here for my husband. It's a late birthday gift. It was very hard to get a hold of that Labubu doll there in the middle, but let's just dive right in. Okay, so what I have here today is actually kind of an odd collection. So these three came from a wholesaler that was basically selling blind boxes at a good cheap rate to try and, I guess, get rid of stock, because these were obviously not the best sellers. They are all authentic. I have checked them all. But yeah, they were a really good price for what they are, and I again had no choice in what I got for those. And then of course the last one is my husband's gift. I asked him if he wanted to unbox it, but he does not want to, so I will unbox it for him and then just give it to him. But let's start off with I think I want to do this Cosmos one first. So, like I said, these guys are authentic, even though I was a bit concerned about getting one of these types of blind bags from this wholesaler just because of past experiences with fakes, if you guys have watched my other videos. But these are all authentic, and these actually look pretty darn cute. So, which one of these would I really like? And I also believe that these are temperature fixed, yeah, because it's talking about color change here. So they change colors with the temperature, which I think is also pretty cool, and I want to test that out. But I would like, I think, this one, definitely. I think that's a chrysanthemum. I would definitely like this one. I think that's a daisy there. This rose one looks pretty cute. Oh yeah, and this one, the sunflower. I love sunflowers. They're all pretty cute. But yeah, and then of course there's a secret, but I'm not going to be posting secrets anymore like you've seen in my previous video, so let's just check it out. Do these come with a card? It feels like they might. Okay. Let's see. Where's the tear tag? I'm confused. Oh, it's up here. One, two, three. Oh, but it was spoiler there already. Oh, it's kind of stuck in the bag. What's going on? Oh, just through the stand. So that noise was this stand that went flying. I got the pink one. Pretty cute. I will have to test later about the color change. I'll have to read up online about it. I'm not sure how that works, because this is obviously in Chinese, and I unfortunately don't speak Chinese. At least I think it's Chinese, right? This is really nice quality. It's kind of heavy. I don't know what I was expecting, but this is really nice. Well protected. I assume, but yeah, the body parts definitely do move. Let's take a closer look. Yeah, so they do move. That's cute. The heart is kind of strange texture, I guess, like vinyl maybe? This is really cute. Is it the heart that changes? Maybe? I would assume, because it's the only one that's like a different color. This is interesting. It's got two holes, but only one on the platform. So that's what it looks like. Very pretty. This is a lot cuter than I thought it was going to be. Let's check out the card. So this definitely says color change. So this is from Cosmos Art, if anybody's interested. Oh, I guess this one's name is Lovable. That's cute. This is a very interesting concept. Not bad. Not at all bad for how much I paid for this. Let's move on to the next one. Okay, so next I either have Momoda or Nego. Let's see, maybe I'll go with Nego first. Interesting. Anyway, so this is what the little IP looks like. There are 8 designs, 1 secret and 1 special. Let's see, which one of these are a bit interested in getting? I would really like the feeling empathy. I think that one's cute. Visiting mountains and sea also looks pretty cute. Oh, I want the fearless youth. That's the one I really want. Oh, staying happy as usual, also pretty cute. Oh, they're all pretty darn cute. How come I've never heard of this series before? Have you guys seen this before? This is super cute. I really want to... I hope I get a good one. Let's see. Okay, let's just tackle it and see what we get. Oh. Yep, card is in there. This is quite heavy. I don't know what I was expecting, but not this. Ooh. Let's see if I can guess. Interesting. There's 3 options of what this could be. I'm gonna say... Well, actually, I don't know. Shining and glowing, maybe? Okay. 1, 2, 3. Oh, no. It was the sleeping one. Called Dreaming With You. This is interesting. This is, very heavy. It's almost like a resin. It's not really like vinyl or anything like that. It's very heavy. Pretty cute, but I really would have wanted the Fearless Youth one, or one of the others. I think this was probably the one that I was the least interested in, and of course I'm gonna get it, so... It's still not bad though. Interesting character, but not my favorite. Let's check out the cards. Or card. Looked like there was 2. It's just a reflection. Okay, so here he is, dreaming with you. He's got like a cute little buddy creature sleeping there on the cloud with him. Interesting. Anybody else gotten anything from the series before? I haven't heard of it until now. Still pretty cute. I definitely think I'm gonna save the Labubu for last, so let's do the Momoda. So let's see. 8 designs and 1 hidden edition. These are all pretty repetitive, so basically it's just what they're holding that changes, and obviously the color of their outfit. I guess these must have been also kind of in line with Chinese New Year or something, so what kind of luck they bring you. I think the one with the money bag is pretty cute. The frog one, really cute. Either of these 2. I'm not sure what these ones are holding. This looks like a key, maybe? I'm not too sure. Well, let's just see. Oh, there's a spoiler kind of sitting on the top here. I hope that didn't give it away. At least it didn't tell me right away which one it was. Oh, more spoilers. Get back in there. Okay. I think I know what it is just because of what I saw in the box, but let's look anywhere. Nope. 1, 2, 3. Oh, these are very heavy. Wow, these are a lot bigger than I thought they were going to be. I got the froggy one. Oh, yay. Oh, that's so cute. Oh, look at his little bum. But look at his little froggy dude. I have no idea what this is supposed to mean. He's a bit dirty, I think because he got banged around in transit, unfortunately, but that should be an easy thing to clean. That's cute. I got the froggy one that I wanted. His little wings are a bit pearlescent too. That's pretty cute. I can't complain. And this is actually really nice. This was a lot cuter than I thought it was going to be. A lot bigger too. So this was the big spoiler, if you guys saw that kind of falling out of there. Let's see. So it's this pillow, and it molds into his little butt. I love it. Oh, it's perfect. It sits on there very well. That's so cute. Oh, that's adorable. Oh, I'm so happy with this one. I thought that this one was kind of gonna be like meh, like the last one. But I really like this. Okay, let's check out his card. Or her card. Oh, what's down there? Oh, it looks like it comes with glue dots. That's interesting. I appreciate that. These are always very handy to have. Very nice. And here is the card. I'll have to translate that because I have no idea what that says. Very cute. Wow. Not what I was expecting, but totally happy with it. That's, again, this is why I like these, like, blind bag types of things. The lucky bags, I guess. Of course, they're blind bags, blind boxes, but the lucky bags where you don't get to pick for yourself. Look at that. That's so cute. And I got the one that I really wanted out of all of them the most. What a win. Okay, cool. Dun 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 dun. Last but not least. So, this is a very late present. As you can see, this was dinged up in the mail. It was very hard to get a hold of these. The prices of these have now skyrocketed now that they've officially sold out from Pop-Mart. So getting a hold of one at a price that wasn't exorbitant was quite hard, but it is the real deal. Hooray for that. Oh, I hate that this is mush, but anyway, so these are all very cute, but again, this is from my husband, and he wants toffee, so he wants this one. So let's see if we get that for him. Cross your fingers and toes. Okay, there's a card sounding good. Silica bag. I love the design bag. I love the bag design. So cute. I wasn't really a big Labubu fan before, but again, the character grew on me. It's a very cute IP. Alright. One, two, three. Oh, well, it's not the one that he wanted, but it's still very cute. And it comes with this keychain, which is very handy. Very cute. Oh, and the hands move. That's cute. Yay. All right. Is there anything else in here? No. Let's see the card. So he got sesame bean, which isn't bad either. Still pretty darn cute. Adorable. Okay, let's do the roundup. Okay, so this is our final roundup. Again, with these lucky bags, it's kind of interesting. You never know what you're gonna get, and sometimes it's a real hit and other times it's not. I think out of these ones today, the Momoda was the one that I liked the most. Obviously, as I said before, the Labubu is a gift from my husband, so he gets that one. The one I liked the least was probably the Nego one, just because it's a bit boring, and it wasn't really the one I was aiming for. The Cosmos art one was very interesting, and I can't wait to test that temperature change one. But yeah, which one of these was your favorite? Do you guys think I should do more of these lucky bags in future? Because I think that they're a lot of fun. But anyway, thank you guys so much, and welcome to all my new subscribers. And if you are new here, please do subscribe. I try to post every week, and I hope to see you guys next time. Have a great week, everybody. Bye!